Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMart leads and inquiries for consumer electronics business. So I am an owner of a consumer electronic business for wholesale and I am promoting my business with the help of IndiaMart, that is an amazing B2B marketplace for India. Now here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry for my electronic business through IndiaMart, then I want to instantly connect with that lead with the help of WhatsApp. So I want to send them automated WhatsApp message. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this we will have to set up the connection between IndiaMart and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to our IndiaMart leads and inquiries for consumer electronic business. So I am working as a wholesaler of electronics, and here I am promoting my products and my business with the help of IndiaMart. So I am receiving multiple queries and leads on regular basis for my business. Therefore, here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead from IndiaMart for my business, and I want to connect that lead through WhatsApp, and that too automatically. So I am going to send automated WhatsApp message to each of the lead for their inquiries. So how we are going to automate this process? For that I am going to use Pabbly Connect over here. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build a connection between IndiaMart and AI Sensei. AI Sensei is the application which I am going to use for sending automated WhatsApp messages to all my leads along with their names in the personalized format with the help of templates. Okay. So here in the place of AI Sensei, you can also take any other application according to your choice, such as WhatsApp Cloud API, Vati, or etc. Because I am using AI Sensei, so I am going to build the connection between IndiaMart and AI Sensei. Now, we are going to do that with the help of this amazing automation software Pabbly Connect without any coding and any programming skills. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options: normal option, sign in, and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just directly click on sign in to log in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will create a free new account for you. It will take only 2 minutes, and also when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, here I am going to click on sign in currently. Now this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of our Pabbly Connect account. Now on our dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created up till now. To save the workflows, we can also create separate folders over here on the same dashboard, and we can save the workflows in the given folders. And you can also find all the task related queries over here, such as the task allotted to you for your account, the task which you have consumed, the remaining task, and the free task which you have consumed. Okay. Now, after understanding this, now I'm going to click on create workflow option to create a new workflow in front of you. As we have done that, a new dialog box is open in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message to IndiaMart leads or inquiries for consumer electronics. Okay. Then after giving the name, I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So here you can see I have a separate folders with the name as automations for IndiaMart leads. So I've created this folder for all the automations which I'm going to create to manage my leads of IndiaMart. So I'm going to select the same folder, and then I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows: trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Now let's suppose my objective is that here, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry for my electronics business from IndiaMart, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. Okay, so for that I'm going to take IndiaMart in trigger, and because I want to send the WhatsApp message with the help of AI Sensei, so I'm going to take AI Sensei in my action step. When we are going to build a connection between these applications as trigger and action, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through IndiaMart, then only the WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us quickly start creating our automation. To start with the workflow, you have to go towards your trigger step and you have to select your trigger application. What will be your trigger application? IndiaMart. So let's select that. Then you have to select your trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. We have new leads as our trigger event. That means whenever a new lead will be received from IndiaMart, then only the workflow is going to trigger, and that too instantly. And as the response will be captured, the workflow is going to start. Okay. So now how we are going to get the response for the new lead? For that we have to build a connection between IndiaMart and Pabbly Connect, and that we are going to do with the help of this URL. This is webhook URL which we have received. So webhook URL is a URL which is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new leads from IndiaMart towards Pabbly Connect. How we are going to insert this webhook URL inside our IndiaMart account? For that the instructions are given which we have to follow. So let's copy the webhook URL and then I'm going to tell you exactly what you are supposed to. So for this, first of all, you need to log into your IndiaMart account, and then from the left side you have to go towards lead manager option. After coming on lead manager, here you can see the option of 3 lines, that is the menu section. Among these options which we have in menu, we have to go towards import export leads and we have to click on push API. Now it is going to take you towards push API integration. So here we have to select the source of the lead. So from where you're getting these leads, I'm going to select other over here. It has open webhook listener. Now first of all, we have to provide the CRM platform name, the name of the platform which you want to connect with IndiaMart. So here I'm going to give the name as Pabbly Connect. Then in the webhook listener URL, you have to paste a URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, the webhook URL, and then we have to click on save details. Now it is asking us, please select one of the options. What is the reason of this connection? You have to select that. You have many options over here. You can select any of them. But here I'm going to select, let's say I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. Just a random reason. Then I'm going to click on generate OTP, and over here you can see that my webhook URL is set up over here. That means we have activated the webhook. Okay, so the connection between IndiaMart and Pabbly Connect is built now. Let's move forward towards Pabbly Connect. Here it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply capturing a lead response from IndiaMart. So whenever a lead will be received in IndiaMart, then the response will be captured. So I'm going to send a random dummy query from a user's account on my business on IndiaMart so that the lead could be captured along with the query. So I have created a user's profile with some dummy details, and with that profile only I'm going to send a query to my business on IndiaMart so that a lead and the query could be captured. I'm going to open that profile in incognito mode quickly. And over here you can see I have opened the profile, I have opened IndiaMart, and I have also searched the name of my business. Now I'm going to click on contact supplier to send the query. As I have created the profile, I have already submitted the details of the users, such as their name, phone number and the email. So I do not have to enter the details now. When I'm going to submit the query, automatically the details of the user will be transferred towards IndiaMart and towards Pabbly Connect as well. So here we'll click on contact supplier. Now I'm going to enter the number which I have set up while creating this profile, and then I'm going to submit it. So now here I'm going to enter my message, my query. Hi, I am interested in purchasing a bulk order of wireless headphones and Bluetooth speakers for my retail store. So because I am a wholesaler, so let's say the lead has submitted the query for purchasing the wireless headphones and Bluetooth speakers for their retail store. Now I'm going to submit the query, and as we have done that, once again we will click on submit, and it is saying that thank you, your details are sent to the business. Let's cross this. We will move back towards our IndiaMart account now. And over here you can see that a lead is received. So the lead is received from ABC company. This is the name of the company which we have set up while creating the profile of the user. And over here you can see that the query is received. Hi, I am interested in purchasing a bulk order of wireless headphones and Bluetooth speakers for my retail store. Okay, this means that now we have received the lead. So let's move back towards Pabbly Connect. Already the response is captured over here. In the response, when we will scroll down, we have received all the details. So first of all, here we have the status of the lead, that is success. Then we have a unique query ID. This is the query ID which is going to be unique for each and every new lead which is going to be received in IndiaMart. Then we have the subject, a default subject. We have the state of the lead. We have the name of the lead, their phone number, okay, their email address, their company name, their city, state, etc., and the time when they have submitted the query. Along with this, we have also received the exact query which they have submitted. Hi, I am interested in purchasing a bulk order of wireless headphones. Okay, this means that the connection is absolutely successful. These all details, such as their name, email, and phone number, are the details which I have entered while creating the profile of the user. So as I told you that we do not have to enter these details manually, they will be captured. Okay, so once we have received this response, that means our connection between IndiaMart and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now whenever a new lead will be received, a new query will be received by a new lead from IndiaMart, then automatically the response of that lead with all the details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. Once we have received the response, our objective is to send a WhatsApp message to connect with the lead instantly. Okay, so here for sending the WhatsApp message, as I told you, I'm going to use AI Sensei. So now I will have to build the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. Let's go towards our action step, and we will select our action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. As we have done that, now we have to select the action event. The action event will be send template message. Let's click on connect. For building the connection, we have two options over here: add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, just go with that. But to create a new connection, what you have to do, you have to go towards add new connection option, and then you have to enter the API key. How you're going to get this API key? For that, the instructions are given very clearly. I'm going to tell you exactly what you're supposed to do. You just have to log into your AI Sensei account, and then from the left side, you have to go towards manage section. After coming on manage section, here we have API key option, and this is our API key. So let's copy it. We'll move back and paste it over here. Done. Let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect is also built successfully. So now we are going to move forward towards entering the details in these fields to send the WhatsApp message. And to start with, we have to enter the campaign name. What is the campaign name? How you have to get it? All these details I'm going to show you, okay? So I will take you towards my AI Sensei account. Then I'm going to take you towards the template section over here. As I told you, we are going to send the message along with the template. So we'll go towards all section. These are all the templates I have created for different purposes. And over here, you can see that this is the template which I have created recently for sending the WhatsApp message to my IndiaMart inquiries. And I'm going to open the template. This is the preview of the message which is going to be sent. Hello name, thank you for reaching out to us. We are excited to help you with your inquiry. What we offer, I'm going to inform the leads about the benefits of purchasing the products from my store. Top quality electronics with warranty, special deals and discounts, fast delivery and after sales support. Feel free to ask if you need any details or any specific requirements. We are here to assist you. Reply to this message or call us at this number. Looking forward to serving you soon. Best regards, Team Electrosphere. Alright. So here this is the message, and you can see that I have used a variable over here. The name is given into brackets. That means I have used variable over here. Because I want to send personalized message to all my leads along with their name, so here I have used variable for the name. Wherever in the template you are going to use variables, the details of that place are automatically going to replace with every new response. So now when I've used variable in the name field on my template, so every time a new response will be captured from IndiaMart, automatically the name of the lead is going to replace with the new name of that new lead. And in this way, I'm going to send personalized message to all my leads along with their names. I'm going to cross this now. Once you will complete your template, it will be sent for approval, and when the template will be approved, then you will be able to use it for sending the messages. Now this is not enough. You also have to link this template with a live campaign, and then you have to enter the name of that campaign in this field, campaign name. Okay, so my template is already approved. Now I'm going to link this template with the campaign in front of you. So for that, I will go towards campaign section, and we will click on launch campaign. I'm going to launch a campaign in front of you, and I will set it live. So here we'll go towards API campaign. And now you have to first of all provide a name to the campaign. Let's say I'm going to give the name to my campaign as Electronics Business Leads. Then after giving the name to the campaign, you have to link it with the template. So here I'm going to search for the name of my template which I have recently created. IndiaMart Inquiry Electronics. I have selected that, and now I'm going to click on set live. So the template is here. It is linked with the campaign, and now we are going to go towards the campaign section. The campaign is ready, and here is the name of the campaign. I will copy it. Then we'll move back towards the campaign section once again, and I'm going to refresh this page. And you can see that my campaign is ready and it is live. So when the status of the campaign is live, then I'm going to go back and paste a name over here. Alright, so the name is ready. Then we have to enter the mobile number. Who is going to receive the message? The receivers are the leads. I want to send the message to my leads, okay? So here we have to enter the phone number of the lead. How we are going to get the phone number? We have already received that in our earlier response. So instead of entering it manually, we will simply map it. Here I'm going to search for the mobile number in my previous response. Over here, it has redirected me towards the sender mobile, and I will select it and it is mapped over here. When we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace now. So now whenever a new lead will be received through IndiaMart, automatically this number is going to replace with a new phone number of that new lead. And in this way, we are going to send the message to all our leads, okay? Then here it is asking us a username. Who is going to receive the message? The receiver is the lead. So here I'm going to search for the name of the lead and I will simply map that. When we have mapped this name, it has also become dynamic. Instead of mapping, if we will enter the data manually over here by typing, it will become static and then it is not going to replace with every new response. Then here our workflow is going to stuck because the details will be stuck, okay? And we will not be able to automate the process. Then we have the source, tags, etc. If you want to enter, you can enter these details as well. Over here we have the template parameter and the attributes. So here we have to enter the template parameter. This is a very important field because over here you have to enter the values for your variables. I have used only one variable in my template, that is for name. So here the template parameter will be name of the lead. If you are using more than one variables, then what you have to do, you have to map first variable. You will use a comma, a space, then you will map the second variable value. Okay, in this way you have to enter the multiple values. After this, if you want to attach any file or document along with the message, you can enter the URL of that file over here and the file name over here. Okay, let's click on save and send test request button now. And as we have done that, the response is received. It is saying that true. The message is sent because we have received the submitted message ID as well. So now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the message is received or not. And over here, we can see that yes, the message is received. Hi, Smart Lead. Thank you for reaching out to us. We are excited to help you with your inquiry. Okay, this means that our connection between IndiaMart and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a new lead will be received for our electronic business from IndiaMart, automatically a message will be sent to that same lead for connecting them over WhatsApp. So I hope this automation is clear to you and it is helpful for you. You can also very easily create this automation for sending WhatsApp messages for your business to your IndiaMart inquiries and leads, that too instantly. You will be able to connect with your leads without any manual efforts with this, and you can convert the leads into payable customers. I hope the video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.